Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how I transfer my screen from that to this. I'm also going to show you how I created my own app icons. The apps you're going to be needing for this project are Widgets, Pinterest, PixArt, Shortcuts, and Color Widgets. First off, hi, my name is Bethel Osiki and I'm a content creator. Most times I create fashion related content, but here I am creating iOS related content. Anywho, let's get into this video. First thing we're going to do is to declutter our screen. That's very easy. You just have to long press on an app and then tap on the remove app option, then move to app library. So this just hides the app and it does not delete it, so you do not need to be afraid. Your apps are still on your phone and they can be accessed from the app library. Next, we're going to change the wallpaper. So I just wanted a simple black wallpaper, so I went to Pinterest, found this image and saved it to my phone. So the next thing, I go back to my photo app, look for that image and set it as my wallpaper for my home screen. So now all the apps we got rid of before are sitting in the app library, and you just find this by swiping left on your iPhone. So next we're going to open our Colors Widget app to create a date widget for our home screen. There is a bunch of options here. All you need to do is scroll and find the one that sits well with you. So I liked this one, so I just played around, edited it, and settled for the one I liked the most. When you're done, all you need to do is tap on Set Widget. Then you come back to your home screen and hold the home screen, and then you see the plus sign shows up. Then you tap on the plus sign, scroll till you find the app Color Widget, since that was the app we used. So scroll till you find the app Color Widget, then tap on it. Then you select the way you want it to show. So I went with the medium and just hit add widgets, and then it pops up on your home screen. That easy. So now if you want to go with a certain aesthetic, all you need to do is select the apps that are already in that color. So my first page, I wanted it to be black and white, so I just selected apps that were black and white and dragged them to that home page. Next, we're going to add a photo widget. So you do this by opening the Widgets app, then you add small icon, tap on the picture there, and then it brings you to this menu option. All you need to do is tap on the photo, then selected photo, and then it opens up a pop-up box like this. Then you choose the photo you want. I went to it with this girl boss picture. Then you tap on the back and save. Now you come back to your home screen, long press till the plus sign shows up. Same thing, scroll till you find the Widgets app, then tap. So for this one I want a small, so I tapped on a small. So tap on it again, long press on it, then tap on edit widget. Then you select the small one because that was the name, and then the picture shows up. All you need to do now is rearrange the screen to how you want it to be. So now we're going to add a text widget. It's basically the same thing. So we're going to go with a medium, tap on the picture, then scroll till you find add text, and then you literally find it, and same process all over again. Now with this one, you have a bunch of options as to what to do with your text. You have different colors, different pictures, different fonts. So you can just mess around with this till you find what you like or what goes your aesthetic, and then save it. Now bringing this to your home screen is the same process we did before. Long press and then hit on the add sign. Now sometimes you don't have to scroll all the way to the widget, you can find it there. So just hit on the medium, then add widget, and then you tap on it again, long press on the widget you just added, edit widget, and select the one you want to show there, which is medium one, and then rearrange to suit your needs. So next you can just create more screens with different colors which you might like. So I did red, I did blue, I did nude, and I also did like multicolors because I have some apps that are like multicolored. I feel like I'm still going to go ahead and do different colors like purple or any color that I see is prominent in my apps, I'm going to go ahead and do it. So now on the widget, you can actually edit the name so it's easier to find. All you need to do is tap on the name above and change the name. Simple.
I gotta find my place. I gotta find my place. Things they fall apart. I'm walking without light, lost in the dark. I thought I had a place I could belong. My back against the wall. My back against the wall. Stay with me, 'cause I'm lost in your love. Stay with me, 'cause I have nothing left. Stay with me.
Next, I'm going to show you how to customize your own app icons. Like you see, I customize Instagram and WhatsApp. So the app you're going to need for this is PixArt. So you open the app and then hit on the plus button. Then you scroll down and pick color backgrounds. Now you can pick any color you want. Next, you tap on stickers, and then in the search box you search any app you want. So with this one, I'm going to use Instagram. Then you pick anyone with a clear background. I'm going to go with the black and white and then add it. Then just spread it out to match the screen. And you can actually like just find pictures from Google if you don't want to like go through this long process, and then just use it. But then hit apply and then save. Next, to create the command to open up the apps, we're going to go to shortcuts. Then we're going to hit on the plus sign, then add action. Then in the search box, we're going to type open app, and then this should show up. Then you tap it, and then on open, press choose. So for this demo, I'm going to be using the music app. So tap on music or any app, and then hit next. Then tap shortcut name. So now with this you can go fancy, so I decided to space out mine and use all caps. So however you type in the name here is how it's going to apply on your home screen, or how it's going to show on your home screen. So it brings us back here, tap on it, then click on the three dots and add to home screen. Then click on the icon, choose photo, and then choose the photo you created and hit add. Then hit done, and it's added to your home screen. Now all you need to do is remove that app, remove it to your app library. Don't delete the app, move it to your app library, then bring down the one you just created and replace it. Simple. So I did that to a couple more apps, and this was my home screen turned out to be. Thank you for watching this video to this extent. If you would like me to show you how to use any video as a live wallpaper for your lock screen, or how to use a group of pictures like this, let me know in the comment section and I'll make another video for you. Also, consider subscribing to me, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye for now.